Hey, Brew and Feed here. Today is taco day. It's not Tuesday, but it's taco day because to me, every day is taco day. So let's go make some tacos. Brew strong and feed well. All right, I got the stuff. I got the ingredients for the tacos and some other stuff too, but we'll go home and make these tacos. And it was a lot cheaper than I expected it to be. And I had a coupon at home and I didn't bring it. Damn it. All right, let's go brew strong and feed well. Well, actually just feed well. I'm not having any brew.